Groucho, leave him alone. Groucho. You think that's fun? It's not funny. Leave him alone. Quit pegging a fight. Stupid cat. How close do you want to get to him? You can act like an asshole. I will record you like one.
Groucho!
I don't think your daddy likes you fighting. Stop it. He's not doing anything right now. He's just basically sitting right next to him. And Pokey don't want to have none of that. Yeah, what's that? I'm messing with the drawer. I got the goods. Catnip. Come on. Box one. There we go. Ah, poop. Drop some of it on the ground. Looks like there's a napkin. Creepy cat eyes. Evil. My hand is shaking.
What happened?
Talking about Eve.
I thought you couldn't lose the shipping to do it. I thought it stopped at like
Groucho, get away from me.
1% or some shit. Why would you duel anything in the office?
Come here. Come here, boy. So hoping that would work. It works for Gumby. He's already over here. Ah, his ears are back up. He's feeling better.
Dum da dum dum.